Making $500 per day on YouTube without filming, 2025. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many dream of, making $500 a day on YouTube without ever picking up a camera. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we'll explore innovative strategies that allow you to generate income through YouTube, without the hassle of filming or being on screen. We'll cover various methods, including leveraging existing content, utilizing animation, and exploring voiceover techniques. You'll discover how to tap into the vast potential of YouTube's platform, even if you're camera shy or simply prefer to work behind the scenes. Get ready to learn about the tools and resources that can help you create engaging videos that attract viewers and generate revenue. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your current strategy, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you achieve your financial goals. Let's get started on this exciting journey to YouTube success. Step 1. Identify profitable niches for YouTube content to kickstart your journey toward making $500 a day on YouTube. The first step is identifying profitable niches. Begin by researching trending topics that consistently attract viewers, such as finance, technology, and health. These areas not only have a large audience but also offer numerous opportunities for monetization. Next, analyze the competition within these niches. Look at successful channels and their content strategies to understand what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to audience demand by checking comments, likes, and shares to gauge viewer interest. Finally, select a niche that aligns with your personal interests and expertise. This alignment is crucial, as it will keep you motivated and engaged while creating content. By focusing on a niche that excites you, you'll be more likely to produce high-quality videos that resonate with your audience. With the right niche in hand, you're one step closer to achieving your financial goals on YouTube. Step 2. Create engaging content using stock footage. Now that you've identified a profitable niche, it's time to create engaging content using stock footage. Start by utilizing platforms like Storyblocks or Shutterstock, where you can find a vast library of high-quality stock videos. These resources provide you with the visual elements needed to enhance your storytelling without the need for filming. Combine various clips to craft informative or entertaining narratives that captivate your audience. For instance, if your niche is finance, you can mix clips of bustling cityscapes, people working, and charts to illustrate economic concepts. This approach not only keeps viewers engaged but also helps convey your message effectively. Ensure that the content you create is relevant to your chosen niche. Tailoring your stock footage to align with your topic will resonate more with your audience and establish your channel as a credible source of information. With the right combination of visuals, you'll be well on your way to producing compelling videos that attract viewers and drive revenue. Step 3. Leverage voiceovers and scripts. With your engaging visuals ready, the next step is to leverage voiceovers and scripts to enhance your content. Start by writing a compelling script that clearly conveys your message. A well-structured script not only keeps your audience engaged but also ensures that you communicate your ideas effectively. Focus on clarity and conciseness to maintain viewer interest throughout the video. Once your script is finalized, it's time to record your voiceover. Utilize voiceover software like Audacity or Adobe Audition, which offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful editing tools. These programs allow you to produce high-quality audio that complements your visuals seamlessly. If you prefer a more polished sound, consider hiring professional voiceover artists from platforms like Fiverr. This option can elevate your content, giving it a professional touch that resonates with viewers. By combining quality visuals with a strong voiceover, you'll create videos that not only inform but also captivate your audience, driving engagement and potential revenue. Step 4. optimize your videos for SEO to maximize your earning potential on YouTube. Optimizing your videos for SEO is crucial. Start by researching keywords relevant to your niche using tools like TubeBuddy. Identifying the right keywords will help you understand what your target audience is searching for, allowing you to tailor your content accordingly. Next, craft catchy titles, descriptions, and tags that incorporate these keywords. A compelling title grabs attention, while a well-written description provides context and encourages viewers to click. Tags further enhance your video's discoverability, helping it appear in search results and related videos. Additionally, create eye-catching thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Thumbnails serve as the first impression of your video, so make sure they are visually appealing and accurately represent your content. Use bold text and vibrant images to draw viewers in. By effectively optimizing your videos for SEO, you'll improve visibility, attract more viewers, and ultimately boost your chances of making $500 a day on YouTube. Step 5. Monetize your YouTube channel effectively. Now that you've created engaging content and optimized your videos, it's time to monetize your YouTube channel effectively. The first step is to join the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn ad revenue from your videos. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can start generating income through ads displayed on your content. In addition to ad revenue, explore affiliate marketing opportunities with products related to your niche. By promoting these products in your videos and including affiliate links in your descriptions, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referrals. This strategy not only adds value to your audience but also diversifies your income streams. Consider creating and selling digital products or courses that align with your expertise. This approach allows you to leverage your knowledge while providing valuable resources to your viewers. By combining these monetization strategies, you'll maximize your earning potential and move closer to achieving that $500 a day goal on YouTube. Step 6. Promote your videos across various platforms to maximize your reach and increase your chances of making $500 a day on YouTube. Promoting your videos across various platforms is essential. Start by sharing your videos on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. These channels allow you to tap into your existing network and attract new viewers who may be interested in your content. Engaging with communities on Reddit or niche forums can also be highly effective. Participate in discussions related to your niche, share your expertise, and subtly promote your videos when relevant. This approach helps you connect with like-minded individuals and drives targeted traffic to your channel. Additionally, consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Partnering with creators who have a similar audience can introduce your content to new viewers and expand your reach. By leveraging these promotional strategies, you will enhance your visibility, attract more subscribers, and ultimately increase your revenue potential on YouTube. Key takeaways for YouTube success. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to make $500 a day on YouTube without filming. We began by emphasizing the importance of niche selection, highlighting how choosing a profitable niche can set the foundation for your success. Next, we discussed the significance of creating engaging content using stock footage, voiceovers, and well-crafted scripts to captivate your audience. We also covered the critical aspect of optimizing your videos for SEO, ensuring that your content reaches the right viewers. Monetization strategies, including joining the YouTube Partner Program and exploring affiliate marketing, were highlighted as effective ways to generate income. Finally, we discussed the importance of promoting your videos across various platforms to expand your reach. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. We invite you to explore related content on our channel or website to further enhance your YouTube journey. Your success is just a few steps away.